Everyone, welcome to our channel. Kindly subscribe to our channel. Today happens to be the first time on the channel. Kindly subscribe and share. Watch the video to end and see what the video goes about. Today we will talk about how to see your Gmail password if you have forgotten. How to see your Gmail password if you have forgotten. Let's go. Here you click on Google Chrome. You see a three dots here. You click on the three dots. On the three dots, you go to settings. You click on settings. On settings, you go to password. You see search engine and password. So you click on password. So when you click on password, you will see all the sites that you have logged in. You see all the sites that you have logged in. All the sites that you have logged in with their password. You see all the sites that you have logged in with your password. You see all the sites that you have logged in with your password. So here we are on Google. So I'll click on googleaccount.com. And I click, yes, this is the email and this is the password. So if you're forgetting your password, when you click here on the eye contact, you see the password that we have forgotten. As another one. You have the other one too. So here now is the website that you have logged in. You have logged in. So maybe you have entered into a website. You have forgotten the password. You follow the same procedure. You see that website, and you see. So it is the app.com.vindic.app. So when I click, I will see the password that I log into that app. So it's not only your Google account. When you visit a site or anything that you have forgotten your password, never panic and create different passwords. Follow the same procedure. You see the app that you have logged in and follow the same procedure. You see the password. So this is the app that I have downloaded or app that I have visited. So when I click on, I will see the password. It's another way. When you forget in any other password, you can follow and see your password. So another one is you go to your Gmail account. And you forget your Gmail account. Another one, you can see your Gmail account. Yes. Another one is you click here and you see Google account. You click Google account and you scroll to security. You scroll to security and you scroll down. You scroll down to your password, your saved password. When you see password manager. You see password manager. You click on it. You see this is the account that I have able to log in. So now our main focus is Google. We are forgetting about our Gmail account. So you click on google.com. So this is my Gmail account. So when you click on the you see the password. You see your Gmail account. When you follow the procedure carefully, you see you have forgotten Gmail account. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Comment, share. Please, let's get this account 10,000 subscribers. 10,000 subscribers. Please, kindly share and comment. Thank you very much. Follow the video carefully to see your passwords. Thank you.